Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to be talking about duplicate content. So what actually is duplicate content? Duplicate content refers to a block of content that appears on more than one web page, within the same website or across multiple. Search engines aim to give the user the most relevant and helpful search results for their search term. When the exact same content is seen in multiple places, it is considered to be very unhelpful. If the content on your web page is seen as duplicate content, search engines are less likely to rank your page in search results. Duplicate content can refer to you copying other people's content, but it can also refer to other websites copying your content. To see if anyone has copied your content, you can enter your page URL into Copyscape. This tool will scan your web page and see if the exact same content has been copied anywhere else on the web. If another website has stolen your content, there are a few different methods you can take to try and get it removed. Contact the site owner and kindly ask them to remove it. Use whois.net to find the website owner's name and phone number to contact them directly. File a DMCA copyright notice with Google and other search engines to have the page removed from search results. And if you need to find proof of which site published the content first, you can use the Internet Archive, also known as Wayback Machine. I hope that is helpful to you, and I hope you learned something new in this video. That is all, and we'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.